Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, turn off the correct breaker, and test the fixture with a non-contact voltage tester to confirm it's dead. Once done, set up a secure ladder beneath the light and lay out parts: new trim, bulb, screwdriver, and gloves. You do this now because working on a live line risks shock. Verifying power protects you and prevents damage to the new fixture. Make sure to label the breaker so others don't switch it on while you work. You remove the trim next, using one hand to support the housing while you release springs or clips. Don't drop the trim into the ceiling void. After the trim is out, unscrew the bulb and unfasten any quick connectors, taking a photo if wire identification will help later. Inspect the can, socket, and spring clips for corrosion, overheating, or damaged insulation, because replacing trim without checking the housing can leave a hidden hazard. You install the new trim by reconnecting the wiring, match color to color, and use the supplied connector to ensure a tight contact. Then compress the spring clips and seat the trim flush with the ceiling. Insert the correct bulb type and wattage to avoid overheating and restore the breaker. Once power is back, test the light and watch for any flicker or unusual noise. If it flickers, turn power off and recheck connections. Loose wires and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.